today we are
doing cooking! Come on, let's go!
So now I'm going to make, I'm going to cut the bananas and Renee here is going to make the butter.
Yep, it's so much fun. Like, I can even smell it from here.
Don't get some butter on your shirt.
Okay, I won't. Woo!
I'm just about done and Renee, how are you doing? Do you need any help?
I'm doing quite fine. I'm actually doing really good. This is quite easy. I'm not gonna lie, this is not that hard.
Ready to make some pancakes?
Pancakes are on its way! Woo!
Okay, there we go.
Yeah.
Ready, but Renee, why are we making pancakes? It's the afternoon.
Well, I can have pancakes any time of day. So let's get decorating to it.
Same. Let's start off with the banana.
I'll get some banana and just you can get some too.
Thank you. It's gonna be the best pancake ever.
What should I get? Ooh, this. Strawberry. Yeah. There we go. Let's pour some awesome stuff. And to make it a little bit more like, crispy, I'm gonna put some granola.
I would love it too.
You can have some too. I mean, I just love granola all over everything I eat. So
this is gonna be the best.
You guys, this is awesome. Look at this. It's here. Dun dun dun. Dun dun dun. What an experience. Let's try it.
Best activity ever.
Yeah, what should we do next?
I got an idea.
What?
How about we do basement camping?
Yeah.
I'm Vivan.
And I'm Renee.
And stay tuned for our next episode, which is
Basement camping.
See you soon. Bye.
Bye.